For us, the most important part of the hearing care journey is the initial assessment. It helps us to understand your hearing and your hearing loss, and then the situations that you find your hearing loss most noticeable in. But most importantly, it helps you to understand what's happening with your hearing and with your hearing loss, and why you struggle in the situations that you do. We start off with a medical history. We ask you questions about your ears and your ear health, and this helps us to ensure that there's nothing medically that we need to be aware of before we continue on with the consultation. Then, through using our microscopes, we'll have a really good detailed look at your ear canals to make sure that your ears are nice and clear. Make sure that there's no sign of any infection, make sure that there's no sign of any earwax blocking your ears. Then we can move on to our hearing test. We'll put you into a sound booth and we'll do a pure tone hearing test. This helps us to measure which frequencies your hearing is being affected at. We'll then move on to speech and noise testing. This helps us to understand how well you process speech in social situations. The most important part of the consultation is in helping you to understand the results of our hearing test. So we'll help you to understand how normal hearing works and how your hearing loss is then affecting your ability to hear speech in the noisy situations that you want to be able to hear in. If necessary, we'll then start talking to you about the different types of technology that's available. We'll show you the different styles that are suitable for your hearing loss and the benefits and the negatives of each style. We basically give you enough information so that you can then make an informed choice on how you'd best like to proceed. Unlike most national chains, we do actually charge for our initial assessment. And the reason why we do that is that we feel that our experience and our expertise and then the information that we can give you a result is worth paying for. That said, if we get to the end of our appointment and you feel that it's not the best hearing test you've ever had, then you can have our time for free.